everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a recipe for chocolate mousse cake. So firstly take around 15 to 20 Oreos or any other chocolate biscuit of your choice. Then grind them. Then add in around 2 to 3 spoons of butter, or also you can use oil. Then mix it all. And you have to add enough butter or oil so that it's kind of comes together. It shouldn't be too sticky, but at the same it shouldn't be too dry. Then I'm taking a detachable container, and so if you don't have one, you can use those use and throw containers which you get in the market. So you can cut it from the side and get your mousse. Also slightly grease it with oil or butter before you use, and then you have to pour in the Oreo butter mixture. Then you have to spread it all over the place, everywhere, and then press it down. Then refrigerate this for around 30 to 45 minutes, and then our crust would be ready. Then for the main part, take some fresh cream. So for the quantities, I used 1 to 50 ml pack of fresh cream, and I used one more pack of 250 ml, but I didn't use the whole thing. Okay, I used around 150 ml out of it. So altogether I approximately used around 400 ml of it. Then heat the cream until it gets to a boil, for around 5 minutes. Then add in some chopped pieces of dark chocolate compound. You can use any, but I am using dark chocolate compound. So for the quantity, I've used around 200 grams of it. And then keep the mixture aside and let the dark chocolate melt in it, because that's why you heated the cream. And then gradually mix it until you get a smooth mixture. Then I'm adding a big spoon of Nutella. Then pour the chocolate mixture in the container. And then refrigerate it for around an hour. And with this, a 5-ingredient chocolate mousse cake is ready. Then you can top it up with anything of your choice. Like I use choco chips. It's completely optional. You can do anything with it. It's your chocolate mousse cake. And with this, our cake is ready. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.